welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing 2 sets of bracelets and 2 sets of earrings. You'll see all of it when I finish it and what colors I'm going to be using. But today I will be unpacking two packages today that came today. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. And hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. So the first package is, I already done opened it. So I was curious to see what was inside and how it looked. But it's these little spacers things right here. Put in between your beads. So yeah, I'm gonna be using some of these today. And charms. If y'all can see them. Let me take about 2 of them out so y'all can see. Yeah, get into it because this is what I'm going to be doing. Yeah. So stay tuned of what I'm going to be creating with what I just showed y'all. So this is what I'm working with today. I'm going to be doing the earrings first. What I'm going to be creating, I'm going to be doing the earrings. That should be right there, not way down there. But yeah, I'm going to be using the wiring to put my beads on and all that good stuff. So I'm going to do some like I always do and come back. So stay tuned for what it's get ready. This is halfway. Who y'all think this is? Comment below of who team you think this is that I'm going for. But yeah, this is the one set of earrings, and then the next one I will be doing is gonna be different too to me. But yeah, but I wanna know how y'all they going though. I always ask that, but y'all never talks to me about how y'all they going. I'm not gonna bite. But stay tuned. I'll be done and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back, and these are what I came up with. And the drum says I love football. So, yep. This is the first pair of earrings that I done. So what I'm gonna do is make the bracelet to go with it. Then, as usual, 3 of them per bracelet. Per set. So yeah, let's Okay, so scoot y'all back a little bit because y'all was too close. So what I'm doing now is sticking the make sure I'm talking to y'all because this might be going out too. I'll probably do the second part of this video later, or yeah, I might not get a second part. I don't know yet. Depends on my storage on my phone. Or actually, I can do another video on this. I can do it tomorrow. And just remember where I left off at, but I'll be leaving off on the second set of earrings and the other second set of bracelets. So it's going to be a part 2 to this. That's what it's going to be, a part 2. Or I might just do some and then have y'all wait at the end. Well, you know how the episodes be on the TV. Have y'all wait to see what's going to happen on the next episode. I might do it like that. I don't know. Who's to say? Because my mind be different. Be rolling just different. So I'm going to do the rest off camera. But this is what I'm going for, like this. I'm going to do the rest off camera and come back and show you. Okay, so this is what I have right here. I'm going to tie it up, make sure it's tied right and good. So I don't have to worry about nothing. I'm not going to tie it tight because I don't want it to break off. Where my scissors at? Where is my scissors? I don't know, but I just clip it with these things right here. I'll put that right there. And that's what every time I don't like whenever I do these things because, well, especially with the thick ones. This is one of them. It's cute with the earrings. Yes, that is cute. I like that. But stay tuned for the next bracelet that I will be doing. Okay, I'm back. So what I'm going to do is start from this side and then work my way around. Y'all tell me how I did after I'm done. Tell me how I did on these bracelets. Because I think I did good, but I want y'all to talk to me in my comments and tell me how I did in it. That's what I want y'all to do. Yep. I don't know what team I'm gonna do next, but just know they're coming. And I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna show one. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all the finished touch of this bracelet. So I want y'all to stay tuned. Don't click off. Stay tuned. So here goes the other one. Okay. This is the last one. And I found my scissors. They was hiding from me. And I had to find them. They didn't want me to use them today. But I did. And don't mind the quietness. I'm just focusing on what I'm doing. Make sure I get it right. And all that good stuff. Yep. I might do this whole thing on camera. What do y'all think? Should I click off or should I stay on here? Because I'm about done with it. Sorry if you hear me breathing. I took a deep breath, so don't think I'm breathing all hard in the mic because I ain't. You better not do that while I'm on this camera. Don't play with me. I'm almost done. Well, I am done. Then what I do is stretch it out again. I'm going to turn it this way so we can get on the thing right. Then I'm going to turn it back the other way. Make sure it's around a circle. Perfect. Then I'm going to just tie it on up. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the, okay, so I want y'all to see my whole face. Here you go. There you go. But I think I'm going to do the other ones then probably tomorrow. And here go the earrings that go with it. So tell me what So tell me how I did with this team set. And don't forget to comment down below what team you think this is. But this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. But here it go again. And the earrings. Bye. Talk to you later.